Oh, okay. Tak boleh buka lah dia. Something went wrong. Please try again later. Tak boleh lah. Hello? Amira?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, hello. So,
You cannot open it.
I ada tulis, no, never mind, it's okay. Because I just wrote dekat text box,
Okay.
so you can read one, two, three.
Okay, let me
There's
check.
another thing.
Oh, alright. Okay, I will start with introducing myself. My name is Muhammad Ain Alim. The position I hold currently is supposedly a team lead Salesforce administrator, where we manage the client's system or SAP system now, what they call. So the department background and objective is to use the SAP system for their business needs. So I would refer it to the previous company now, because the new role I haven't settled in. So previously there are 5 business units in DKSH. They have healthcare, they have consumer goods. So I was handling healthcare and consumer goods. They have performance PM, so product management. What else they have? Healthcare, CG, product management. They have technologies. They have Maurice Lacoste also. That's the watch. So those are the 5 departments they have. So Salesforce was used as a SAP system to manage their product eventually. To manage their product eventually. So, like say for healthcare, normally they used to manage the drugs that they sell there. So in the system that they use, they will put all the data inside. For example, the drug company that sells it, what are the drugs, what are the dosage, and all will be stored in the Salesforce system. So it's a way to manage DKSH sales and so on. All right. Do I use any information system? The previous company used Salesforce administrator. Salesforce as a information system to manage all this client data, drugs, and so on, or products. So number 4, what is the function of information system and why we use it? The function of the information system is to track whatever product that is sold to DKSH. As you all know, DKSH is a marketing and distributor company where they will not buy the product, they will help the product owner, like a drug product owner, for example, Panadol, I think owned by, for example, the vaccine, Sinovac. So they will buy, they will store, and they will help them to distribute it. So that's how they use the SAP system for healthcare. For consumer goods, right? They deal with, example, company like Nestle, and Nestle wanted to sell their cornflakes, for example, the Kellogg's cornflakes or something like that. So DKSH will buy in bulk and help them to market it, like maybe bundle it, So we have market sales, then we do the logistic for them. So the Salesforce system come in that kind of way, So you know how much product that you're taking from your client and how much you're selling out also. So it helps to keep track all those. In a way, it's like a chain system where you see how many in, how many out. For example, if I have a Kellogg's and I sold it to Village Grocer, for example, I would know how many I sold for this month and what are the sales promotion package and all. So DKSH use the Salesforce system, something similar like that. All right. Number 5, what is the process and flowchart of the information system used? Like I shared before, it's used to manage all the product that they use to market cell and logistically also for DKSH. Can you share some of the difficulty and problems, failure when you face using the information system? Normally it would be the design of it lah. There's certain function won't function properly unless you get some add-on where you need to. For example, for technology, and there are so many spare parts, that they buy. For example, manufacturing lands and all. So DKS is dealing with them. So currently they are integrating ServiceMax. ServiceMax is a system where we'll help the KSH to assign technician on site to do the repairs, spare part delivery, or whether this spare part is warranty. And we also can track all the parts that, let's say, for example, I sold to a Sony, for example, a few lens, right? And this lens has a warranty, we can track. Then we also, in that system, where Salesforce is being used as a data, like a data storage, where you can know how many spare part you have for the lens. For example, maybe it could be at a warehouse, it could be at a store in Klang, and depending on the client location. So this ServiceMax integration into Salesforce will help them to assign the technician and also check stock where it's available nearer to the clients. So those are those kind of difficulty we feel. I would say it's more on the integration because two different system, and it's very hard to make them work and there's a lot of R&D and UAT testing. I hope that will answer 1 to 6 of the question. Do you have anything else?
Yes, another 4 questions.
Sure. Okay. You'll be sharing the 4 questions, right?
Sorry, the